log out of Viber. If any day you would like to log out of your Viber account on your very mobile device but do not know how to log out from your very Viber account on your mobile device, then do not worry, as we have got the easiest solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you have to search Viber there. After you search Viber there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very Viber application on your mobile device. After you tap on your Viber application on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to go to the more option, that is the three dots on the downside. After that, you have to go to the option of settings there. After you go to the option of the settings, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option, that is the option of general, and then tap on general. After you tap on general, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to scroll down until you find the option of exit. When you find the option of exit, you have to tap on the option of exit, and you can see an interface like this. There has been written, exiting will limit your availability and you might not receive calls and messages on Viber. It's because you'll be logged out of Viber. Now if you tap on the option of OK, you will be logged out from your Viber account on your very mobile device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.